I don't remember the moment I decided to end my life. It's all a blur. I took a bottle of pills and a fifth of whiskey after a week of self-imposed isolation in my pitch-black room. I felt a sadness so deep as to blind me to all hope and love. I'm far from the only one with a story like this. There is quite simply a student mental health crisis. 1 in 10 high school students have attempted suicide, and schools simply don't have the resources to do anything to help. Schools average 1 counselor for every 500 students, leaving 80% of students without adequate support. That's why we created Inner Peak, to be every school's front line of defense in student mental wellness. We support students to provide less worry for school leaders. We give time back to counselors by solving lower acuity issues before they need counselors' support. By improving student mental health, we improve learning outcomes, and we do this all at a fraction of the cost of other mental health solutions. There are 3 main components to Inner Peak's platform. First, we provide personalized, on-demand, 24/7 support to students. We do that through our 14 AI coaches that are there as validating, supportive, active listeners for the students. These coaches don't give actual advice, however. Instead, they are just validating and supportive, and then curate therapist-created videos made specifically for the top challenges that students face. If students don't have an active challenge going on, they can engage with our personalized daily learning and mindfulness activities, which are designed to help students learn coping skills and build resiliency. The last piece of our platform provides schools with visibility and insights by aggregating student conversational data and reporting it up so that schools can understand what are the top challenges students are facing, how are they doing over time, and we can help schools flag crises and prevent them. At the core of our platform is our therapist-created content, created by our team of a dozen licensed therapists. This team is led by a professor at Stanford Medical School and an Emmy Award-winning content producer. All of our videos are bite-sized, made to be 2 or 3 minutes long, engaging, kind of in a TikTok style, with graphics and animations. And they're made specifically for the top 120 challenges that students face, from things like test anxiety to relationship challenges. Other approaches simply fall short. Some apps have high-quality content, but it's not useful because it lacks situational relevance. Teletherapy is personalized and effective, but expensive and limited to certain hours. AI therapy chatbots are personalized and affordable, but risk catastrophic hallucinations. Inner Peak provides a unique combination of personalization, expertise, and affordability without the downside of competitors. Inner Peak is live with 3 paid high schools, 2 of whom are in my hometown of Toledo, Ohio. We're piloting with 3 universities, and we're seeing utilization 3 to 5 times other mental health platforms. 70% of students are reporting that they feel better after just minutes of interacting with the Inner Peak app. We've seen success across 3 ways of going to market: cold email outreach, conferences, and our educational advisory board. We sell subscriptions to schools with premium offerings of teacher training and parent engagement resources. Our market of high schools and universities is a $1 billion market that expands to $10 billion when we grow to serve employers as well. Inner Peak works because mental health is our vocation. I've worked at 4 different mental health or wellness startups after graduating from Harvard and Stanford Business School. And my co-founder, who I met at Harvard, brings his own years of software engineering expertise. We have world-class investors and advisors, including Fortune 500 CEOs, successful startup founders, Harvard and Stanford Business School professors, and tech stars. We're raising $500,000 as a pre-seed extension to drive more revenue before we raise our larger seed round. So join us in our journey to help all students reach their inner peaks.